Welcome to Technical RP. This video we are going to talk about how to get the value from the dictionary. Usually when we write into Python programming, we can use string, integer numbers or else tuple or dictionary value or float. So these are all the common data types, so we can use and get the values. So in most of the time, so when we get the value from RPA, so we need to pass through as a dictionary, because sometimes some RPA tools like Pega or Automation Anywhere, so they have some type of restrictions to get only one input to pass into Python. So in that case, so we have to pass only dictionary value. So once we pass the dictionary value, so how we can get the, suppose here you can see person is my dictionary. I'm doing name and age. I have two dictionary. Key and values. My dictionary key is name. My dictionary value is Phill. Again, my second dictionary key is age, and my second dictionary value is 22. So the dictionary object or data type will work as a key and value pair. So this is the special thing. Only the dictionary data type will work as a key and value. If you give the key, you can get the value. So here you can see I'm printing name. How I can get the name? So I'm creating one variable, my name. So person is my dictionary. Here you can see this person is my dictionary. I'm just copying and putting there, and I'm using get method. So this is built-in function of get method. I'm getting, so what I need to get, I'm getting name. That's all. So here what I need to do, so instead of person.get name, I'm using my name. Whatever I get the values through my name, I'm doing on it. So this is my first key. Once I get it, I will get the value. The second one is age. So my age. Here also I'm getting person dot get age. Here when I'm printing the results, instead of age person.get, I'm using my age. Here my dictionary contains only name and age. Salary is not there, so simply I'm getting salary. So because salary doesn't have any data, so how it will print, you can see it. Also here I'm getting the same salary with 0.00. I get given some value provided, just I'm running on it. Here you can see when I'm getting name, age, this is my printed values, name, age, salary. You can see I didn't get it from dictionary, so that I'm getting empty value. The fourth one is value provided in get as well. I'm getting as a 0.0. So whatever I get given value, suppose I get given as 100. Suppose sometimes the functions record some default values. For example, in any of the data population areas, they will take us age as 70. If it is age 70, then salary should be credited. So in that case, default age is 70. So in that case, I can set a default value here. Whatever the default value, when I getting values from dictionary, if dictionary doesn't have value, I can set as some default values. I'm running it. Yeah, here you can see that. So if you want to write as a function, just get dictionary values. So I have to call once the function has been written, I have to call on it. So this is the way we can get the value from dictionary. So I can get the value as a string or number, so whatever it may be. Sometimes if I when I'm getting the values, for example, here you can see. So this is your string value, which means your dictionary has some value with one string. So the string has, here you can see 1 2 3 false, 4 5 6 true, 7 8 9 false. So this is your string. So in that case, you cannot evaluate, or you cannot get as a directly as a get value. So instead of that, you can use ast.literallevel. So what is the use of literal level? Here you can see. So first thing is, before going to use, so what is the purpose we can use ast and literal level? Suppose you want to convert a stringed dictionary into a Python dictionary, so you need to use as a you have to import package or else library as ast. So it would convert your string dictionary. This is my string dictionary. The string dictionary start from single quote and it would end with single quote. This is my dictionary key and value. 1 2 3 is my key and false is a value. So in that case, I have to convert my string dictionary into a normal dictionary. Here you can see, once I run it, I got the value of 1 2 key and value without the quotation mark, which having string dictionary. So what is the wherever we can use ast? Here you can see. So ast is a safely evaluate an expression node or a string containing a Python expression. The string or node provided may only consist of the some of the structures like string, numbers, tuples, list, dictionary, boolean, and none. So already we seen string, numbers, tuples, dictionary. Here you can see you can add the list, boolean, and none. So these all the structures the data will come. In that case, you can literal level will safely evaluate strings containing Python expression from untrusted sources without the need to pass the values oneself. Suppose you have some websites and you are getting values through website. So in that case, the HTML tag will come like us come tag will come like 1 2 3 comma. So this type of tags will come. So in that case, you cannot get directly, you cannot convert directly from dictionary to a string in this way. So instead of that, I'm so you can see this is the format the dictionary has been expected. So instead of that, here you are converting string Python stringed dictionary into a Python dictionary, then you are getting values from one by one without parsing directly. We can parse, and we can parse through one by one as from if you get values from any untrusted source. So simply I'm running. So here you can see instead of stringed dictionary you will get the Python dictionary. Thanks for watching this, and if you have any doubts you can put in your message into the chat window. Thank you.